how to turn on and off active status on Facebook Messenger. As many other social media apps, Facebook Messenger also has a active indicator. So you will see a green dot besides the profile picture of the person that is active right now. So let's see how you can turn it on and off. First, tap on the hamburger menu to open settings. From here, tap on the gear icon. You can scroll a bit down, and here you can see below avatar, you can see privacy and safety. Open it, and here are many options. So if you scroll at the bottom, you can see there is this setting called active status. Tap on it, and right now it's turned on, so when other people come online, they will be able to see that I'm active right now. If I turn it off, and you can change the duration as well, so you can turn it off for 1 hour, 8 hours, until 8 o'clock, or you can do a custom time. You can do it until you change it back as well. I'm just going to do it for now, and I'm going to just tap on pause. So this is going to pause the active status for the next time I change it back. So as long as I don't change it back, it's gonna stay this way, and other people won't be able to see my active status. I hope this video was helpful. I'll see you on the next one.